Howdy everybody, Jay here with another episode of WB Tool News, and today we are talking about the Flexzilla Swivel Grip Garden Hose from Legacy. Whether you're looking for the perfect garden hose for your needs or you just want to know more about the swivel grip, you've come to the right place. Just remember, if you like our content, click that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on more reviews like these. The first thing that stands out on this hose has got to be that bright Zilla green. This is great for when you forget where you put your hose out in the yard. This makes sure that you won't run it over with that old trusty lawnmower. The next thing that stands out about this hose is the hybrid polymer blend that it's made out of. This is fantastic. It keeps it lightweight and incredibly durable through extreme weather conditions. Now let's get into what makes this hose outmaneuver the competition, the patented swivel grip action on both ends. This technology allows the hose to move freely in between the handle and the spigot, letting the hose work with you, not against you. With the new ergonomic handle, you're going to have a firm, comfortable grip every time you use it. And thanks to the leak-free O-ring, you won't have to worry about any of that annoying dribble that some of the competition always deals with. And like all Flexzilla hoses, these are kink-free under pressure and come in a variety of sizes, from 3 feet all the way up to 100. So they're going to work for you no matter what the job is. I have a 50-foot swivel grip at home and I love it to wash the car and then take it right around the other side of the house to do the garden. It has been an absolute game changer for me. Have any of you ever used one of these hoses? If you have, let us know in the comment section below. And like always, if you like our content, click that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all the latest from WB Tool News.